PNP President Mark Golding insisting the time has come for a change in governance.
People want change. They want a government of integrity. They want a government that they can have trust and confidence in. They want a government that uses the resources for the people only and not for them friends and them cronies.
Time come for a new leader, new Jamaica, new era. We now vote for no shows neither. Long time them a take with the 4 lane, yeah. So Mark Golden are the new leader, new Jamaica, new era. We now vote for no shows neither. Long time them a take with the 4 lane, yeah. So tell them say time come, time come, time come. For your new Jamaica, time come, time come, time come. For say the true Jamaica, time come, time come, time come. For your new Jamaica, time come, time come, time come, time come. For your new leader, time for build up with schools in ya. We healthcare for your bowman ya. A long time them a take with the 4 lane ya. So Mark Golden a the new leader. Orange shirt and the new jeans, yeah. Nobody no for your shouting, yeah. Make we control crime for the new era, so tell them say time come, time come, time come. For your new Jamaica, time come, time come, time come. For see the true Jamaica, time come, time come, time come. For your new Jamaica, time come, time come, time come, time come. Yo, Mark is the boss with the party. Them a crash with country, so go restart it. Yes, I with the orange shirt, the posse. One for me daddy and one for me charge it. See the old lady, the down, there's a waffy. Go vote because she remember Mr. Manley. Yes, I'm Marky the boss with the party. Them a crash with country, so go restart it. Yeah, time come, time come, time come. For your new Jamaica, time come, time come, time come. This is the true Jamaica, time come.